Hi, I'm Siva and I'm making this quick video about Titans Pro versus Helium 10 for Amazon KDP keyword research and niche research. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick comparison of both tools, how they work and how useful they are for Amazon KDP for finding low competition keywords and niche ideas, both for low content and medium content books. They can be useful for high content books as well. First, I will show you Titans Pro. It's a Chrome extension from self-publishing Titans, and once installed here, you can go here and just in this, and it will also start pinning here. Just log in using your Titans Pro login and you will be here on this page. All you need to do is type coloring book or any keyword phrase here, then click on this extension and it will quickly load the Amazon search suggestions and also shows estimated search volume, number of Amazon results. Based on data, it also assigns the demand score and opportunity score. There are two columns here and it shows data in both. For the coloring book, it shows 151 keywords. We can sort this by search volume or search results. We can also sort this by demand score or opportunity score. I always sort this by opportunity score, so we can go here and sort both columns by opportunity score. The very first keyword is coloring book for men, 30 pages. Search volume is 5,503. Search results are 3,123. Demand is 5 and opportunity score is 9. Similarly, it shows other keywords like coloring book for teens, 14 to 16, girls. Ideally, I look for opportunity score of at least 9 and demand score of 5 plus. I look for 6, 7 or higher. So like coloring book Disney Princess, this is branded keyword. Stay away from that. Coloring books for teens, 12 to 16, girls. Appears to be a good keyword because search results are lower. Demand is 5 and opportunity is 9. So Titans Pro also gives you another layer of diving deep into any given keyword. Like if this keyword, you can simply click it in new tab and it will start loading the quick view extension that is now merged into Titans Pro. So it is loading data for this keyword. Similarly, I can go and open multiple keywords here to actually see how they are working. So I can open this as well. While these are running, under the products, I go to Cerebro plus Magnet, and here in the search bar, I typed coloring book and click get keywords. For coloring book, Helium 10 is showing me over 5,300 keywords. Organic keywords are 2,076, paid are 2,408, Smart Complete is 866, and Amazon recommended are 1,386. So Helium 10 is built for Amazon FBA sellers. That's why it shows a lot of extra data and it's a very pricey tool. It's not for beginners, I think so. If we scroll down, we will see this filters option. Before we go to filters, we can quickly see these keyword ideas. There are 5,354 keywords in total. We can sort these by keyword sales. We can also sort by Cerebro IQ score, by search volume trend. You can also sort by sponsored ASINs. They also have a customize button here. You can uncheck any column if you don't want that. For example, if you don't want these sponsored ASINs, you can simply uncheck this competing products and the match type, sponsored or organic. SP is for sponsored and O is for organic. So it shows you a lot of data. Now before we apply our filters here in the Helium 10, I want to go back to Titans Pro and see our keywords. Like coloring book for men, 30 pages has these numbers. Total results are 2,382. Exact match is 0. There is no product using the same keyword on the first page. Individually published are 9. Average BSR is over 551,000 and lowest is 0 and the highest is over 2.8 million. Average reviews are 1,464, lowest is 0 and the highest reviews are 18,222. Average price is 10, lowest is 5 and the highest price is 21. This is what I really like about Titans Pro. So it helps me decide if the niche is good or not. It also shows you the product details here. Like you can go to the extension here and you can enable and disable these options like product info box. Turn this on and see the individual products and their bestseller ranks, their category ranks. So Titans Pro is good in terms of providing this type of data. This appears to be good keyword or niche for me. Coloring book for men, 30 pages, because no one is using this keyword in their title or subtitle. The second keyword was coloring book cute toy. Only 238 results. Demand score is 7, opportunity score is 9. Average BSR is over 561,000. There are 60 products on the first page for this keyword and individually published are 48. It means there is competition, and average reviews are over 1400 and the highest reviews are over 11,400. Average price is 9, lowest is 4 and the highest is 12. So in this way I can analyze the keyword and make a decision, should I go for that keyword or not. So based on these data, the competition is low, but a lot of individual publishers have already published books here. Average bestseller rank is not that great. I should spend some more time to actually decide that if I can go with this keyword or not. Apparently it looks a good niche based on these numbers. And if we go back to our Helium 10 filters, here I can go to show filters, and the very first thing I can apply here, the minimum search volume 1000, and then apply filters.
Now after applying the search volume filter, our keyword list is down to 540, and now I can sort them by search volume, or I can also sort them by competing products. To find low competition niche ideas, I need to apply another filter, that is competing products, and I want maximum competing products of 2000, then apply filters. Now the keywords are down to 261. So here I can also go and apply another filter. Here I want to see only the organic ones, and then apply filter. 79 filtered keywords are here. These are all organic keywords. These have competing products less than 2000 and search volume at least 1000. So this is how you can quickly find low competition niche ideas using Helium 10. I think this is why Helium 10 is one of the best keyword and niche research tool for Amazon FBA sellers and self-publishers. So here we can sort this either by keyword sales or Cerebro IQ score, search volume, or any other filter. I have sorted this by keyword sales. 5-year-old girl gifts. This is the keyword. We can include this in our subtitle or backend keywords of a coloring book. Search volume is very high and the search volume trend is going upward, 6%. Competing products are only 723. If I sort this by search volume trend, I can find trending ideas like Mother's Day coloring book is trending very high because 11th of May today. Then it's WDNC coloring book. It may be a trademark. Creative Blog coloring book need to be checked for any copyright and trademark. Then is Sunflow coloring books, how to draw pattern, Coco Bio, that's specific brand term, activities for adults, fun stuff for teens. So these might be coloring books. So I can go and here I can remove the match type. Here I can enter my phrase coloring book, phrase containing coloring book, any keyword. I can also type comma and add another keyword if I want to. I'm going with coloring book only. Now our list is down to 86. I have only 3 filters. Search volume minimum 1000, competing products maximum 2000, and the keyword should include coloring book in it. Mother's Day coloring book, search, I have sorted this by search volume trend. Mouse guard coloring book is trending as well. It has 0 keyword sales. Search volume is 1617. There are 75 competing products only. We do not care coloring book, another keyword. Creative Blog coloring book, Naughty Cats coloring book. There are a lot of coloring books here. This is how you can find low competition keyword and niche ideas using Helium 10. Now let's talk about the pricing. Titans Pro can be one-off payment up to $149. That is lifetime access. For a limited time, they are having a Mother's Day sale, so you can get it for $99 for lifetime access. This is the pricing of Titans Pro. You can also get it with their monthly subscription. That would be pricing for their all tools. Go to monthly. You can access for $20. It includes Chrome extension for Amazon Limited basic tools and book listing analyzer. Author plan, that would be $35. It also includes coloring book maker, pendant extension, Amazon and ACX. It includes Titans Pro, but it is monthly. And if you go to lifetime, you will also have individual access to these. Here you can also check other tools as well, like puzzle and activity, professional bundle, and a lot of other tools are included here. Now Helium 10 is very pricey tool. It's a monthly subscription. Normally it is $129, but using my links you can get it for $103 per month. It would renew at the same discounted price for 6 months. You can get 20% off for 6 months. Instead of paying $129, you can pay $103. So it's not for beginners, it's for advanced publishers that are already making, I think, at least $1,000 per month. With all that said, I think Titans Pro is very beginner friendly. It also has lifetime access module as well, and you can also access this with their other tools as monthly subscription. On the other hand, Helium 10 is for advanced publishers and the publisher that have a budget to invest into this self-publishing model. So this was a comparison of Titans Pro versus Helium 10. If you have questions and suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe.